This video, I am discussing 6th standard mathematics, perimeter and area. In that, now I will discuss perimeter of regular polygon. Say this. This is a regular polygon. Here, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. In a perimeter of regular polygon, all sides and all angles are equal. Now, it is like a square, closed figures that have all sides and all angles are called regular polygons. Like a squares, closed figures that have all sides, all angles equal are called regular polygons. This is the definition for regular polygon. That means all sides and all angles are equal are called regular polygon. In a figure, all sides and all angles are equal are called regular polygons. We studied the sequence of regular polygon as a shape sequence 1 in chapter 1. That means chapter 1. Examples of regular polygons are the equilateral triangle where all three sides and all three angles are equal. That means in an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal and angle is 60, 60, 60 degree. Regular polygon means regular pentagon where all five sides and all five angles are equal. In a regular hexagon, all sides and six angles are equals. This is example for regular polygon. Now, perimeter of equilateral triangle. We know that for any triangle, its perimeter is the sum of all three sides. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides or will sum of three sides. The three sides. Using this understanding, we can find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Here all sides are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. That means AB plus AB, 3 times length of one side. Therefore, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of a side. What is the similarity between a square and equilateral triangle? Now for a square, we know the formula. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side or length. For a pentagon, regular pentagon, this is the shape. Here all sides are equal. Therefore, perimeter of this figure is equal to pi into side. Next, for a hexagon, this is the shape of hexagon. Yes, this is the shape of hexagon. Perimeter of this is 6 into L. For a heptagon, for a heptagon, octagon, nanogon, decagon. Comment your answer for heptagon, hexagon, and decagon. Perimeter of, comment your answer, perimeter of heptagon, octagon, nanogon, and decagon in a comment box. This much for in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.